may tanong ako sa'yo. Sa tingin mo, para saan yung SM Advantage Card? Okay? For loyalty? Diyan ka nagkakamali. Alam mo ba na the reason bakit nila ginagawa to is not really for you to come back and dahil loyal ka na, no? It's really for them to collect data. Now, let me give you an example. Bakit ba? Bumibili ka ba sa SM dahil gagamitin mo to para mag-collect ka ng points? Most likely hindi, di ba? Bibili ka ng medyas, bibili ka ng mga damit, bibili ka ng ano. Hindi mo naman sasabihin na, para ma-hit ko na yung points, sige, balik na ako sa SM. SM ako bibili kasi may points sa Ayala, wala. Right? And if you also notice, the mga, anong tawag dyan, mga cashier, tinatanong nila, sir, meron ka bang SM Advantage card? Nagiging SOP na nila yun, natanungin ko may SM Advantage card ka. Nagagamitin yun. In short, they're not using this so that you will come back and buy again. Kumaga, to be loyal, it's called loyalty card, but it's really not for loyalty purposes. It's really for data collection. Why? Just imagine, each of us we have our own card, right? So in short, this is the way so SM can track all the purchases across all branches nationwide. Para malaman natin, okay, for example, let's say ako, nakaregister ako sa, let's say, Quezon City yung address ko. Pero bumili ako sa Baguio. So malalaman yung system nila na, oh, this is Fibo from Quezon City who bought from Baguio. Right? Second is this. This is also their way to know what is the average order value or transaction size for each transaction. A third is, how often ba ako bumabalik sa SM? So these are the things, kasi without these cards, parang nanghula-hula lang sila. Kasi it's possible na uy, malakas yung benta sa SM North EDSA. Pero the reason bakit pala malakas, kasi people from Pasay, from Parañaque, for example, go to SM North. Does that make sense? So, now, alam mo ba na a friend of mine who's in the restaurant business also applied this. Okay? What they did is may loyalty card sila, of course, libre, pero the purpose of that loyalty card is not really for loyalty, it is for them to track how often this person comes back. So, my question is this. What can you do so that you can track customer repeat orders, customer transaction size, customer data, because you'll be using this customer data to improve your marketing, sales, and your operations.